Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to wish birthday on Facebook timeline. Okay, so I'm going to show my Android phone. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start the video. So guys, here I'm on my Android phone. So let me open the Facebook app. Just open your Facebook app. And if you want to wish your friend on their timeline, so you have to just find out the friend name. Okay, you can just find out the name from here. Okay, so just search the name here. So I got one person here which is Netcast. Okay, so this is my page only. So let me search friends, or you can directly go to the contacts. Okay, go to the contacts here, uh, click on your name, and you can find your friends, see all friends. Now you can search the name here, your friend, search your name here. Okay, if you want to wish the birthday this person, so I need to open this person profile like this, and just scroll down, and here you can see, here you can write something on their right. So you can write here like, wish you happy birthday, wishing you happy birthday. Okay, you can change your background color. Okay, you can find any background color here. You can tag person. If you want to tag other for your friends in this post, you can tag. Just click on this tag people, and you can tag other contacts. We can search here, and the tag, you can tag this person here. So just tag 2 3 person here, and now just click on OK. Okay, so it is tagged now. Just come back, you can see. Okay, okay, I have tagged 2 person here, 3 person, this and other two, and now you have to just post it. So it will be post on this timeline, this person timeline, and it will be also notified to these 3 person that you have wished them. Okay, wish them a happy birthday. Okay, so that is how you can post the on timeline birthday wishes. You can post on your timeline. I will show you how you can find the upcoming birthdays. Go to the search and type here birthdays, then this icon will become, just click on it, and you will see all your contacts upcoming birthdays. And now you can just click on this profile, and you can write on their profile from here. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.